Hey guys, it's ADog, and I'm going to be showing you the fastest way I know to peel one of these little bad boys called a lychee. Well, lychees, they can come in green or red, but as you may be able to see, if you're not colorblind, these are green. And to lychees, they have a hard skin on the outside, white, fleshy, delicious skin that's so sweet and like anything you probably have not tasted before, and a little rock in the middle. Okay. Let's get started with peeling the lychee. To peel a lychee, this is the fast way, not the stupid loser idiot way that you may see other places. Okay, to get started, you have to start peeling on this end. This end, not this end. Do this end, please, because it's faster. Okay, let's get started by picking at the lychee. You pick at it like you're picking at your skin. Yeah, see, look, it's already about to slide out. Ooh, look at that juice shooting out. Yummy. And so now it's really easy. See, look how easy it is. It just comes right off and then it slides out. Wow, we did it, everybody. We peeled a lychee. Thanks for watching. Be sure to share this with your friends if they need help peeling a lychee. Bye-bye. Oh, and like and subscribe and stuff. Bye-bye. Don't eat the seed, you dip. Yummy. It's so good. You know, it kind of tastes like a grape and a raisin. And like, I don't know what it tastes like. Here we go. I ate it.